In very basic terms, we can compare the electric fence energizer to a toilet. There's an inlet pipe bringing water in. This builds up into the tank, and when it's needed, then there's a switch or handle that, when activated, lets a rush of water down out the pipe. After which, it then closes the valve, letting the tank fill up again. So over here, we have our basic energizer, which is in the box. This will receive power from either a DC battery or an AC main supply. Then we have the input circuitry, into a more suitable form for holding in the main storage capacitor. Like the toilet tank, the capacitor is an electrical reservoir, and energy is built up in here. This goes to the SCR, silicon controlled rectifier, a very fast electrical gate kinda like the handle of a toilet, and it gets its signal from the timing control unit that basically tells it when to open. Finally, the pulse shaping circuitry is a transformer that shapes the energy passing through it so that it travels down the fence better. So, energy will come in from the power source, go through the input circuit, and get stored in the main storage capacitor. Then when ready, the timing control sends a regular signal spaced out about 1 to 2 seconds apart to the SCR that tells it to open, letting the stored energy flush out, past the pulse shaping circuitry and down the fence at a rate of 93,200 miles per second, or roughly half the speed of light. If the fence was just a wire plugged directly into the AC mains, it will have a constant current on it pulsing all the time. If you were to grab hold of this wire, then you would constantly be electrocuted. This is what we're used to seeing in cartoons and movies where you get stuck on the wire and it's fatal. The electric fence energizer converts the constant energy into a short, powerful electrical pulse that travels down the fence line. As you can see that the pulse might be stronger than the incoming current, but this is meant to pack a non-lethal electrical punch that will knock an animal or person off the fence. As said, the shock is non-lethal. It is regulated by law how much current the human body can safely take for a very short time, and all electrical fence energizers have to comply to these regulations. The shock should be powerful enough to stop any person or animal from repeating the process of touching the fence. We hope that you found this video helpful. If you'd like more information, please visit us on our website.